Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you our new Lego room tour. So I have a ton of stuff to show you, so let's get right into it. So this is where I started the video, and to the right of this is all of the Legos. So right here is actually the Halloween / like fall mock, and this should be coming out pretty soon in a video. This isn't done yet, of course, but this is what it looks like right now. Spoiler. Over here we got Minifigure 2004. We got some random Lego sorter drawers just all along this wall. If you look in here, the tiles, this whole row is tiles, and then just pretty much random stuff and a ton of those pins. So over here is wings type of pieces, like curvy wings, and then right here miscellaneous, I guess, and bottom is even more miscellaneous. This over here, you can kind of see what it looks like right there. Just some supplies for Lego building, some wheels. We have a lot of these. These look like more slopes, and right above this is Arc Fighter. So right next to the blue sorter drawers, we got instructions. So these are most of our Lego instructions. Like you can see, like fireplane set, a lot of different sets in there. And in this blue binder, actually, we got like the minifigure series. So right here is just like series 5. It goes like that. Series 13, 14, just goes in order pretty much. So that's what is in that. And then if we move over here, this is more sorted Lego, of course. That right there is like bricks and stuff. Slopes. 2x4 plates, just Lego that is too big to fit in these drawers pretty much. And above that, we got some more of those packets from the minifigure series. And this is the bat helicopter from like 2012. So right next to the bat helicopter, we got an anglerfish from an old Lego set. And this 2x4 right here, if my camera will focus on it, it's actually an old 2x4. If it focuses, yeah, it says Lego on it with the old Lego logo. It's really interesting. Yeah, right there you can see it. And that's the old Lego logo, so it's a pretty old piece right there, so it has its own bag. With my stuff over here, we just got some miscellaneous Lego and Lego sets. Just over here. Just stuff that I've built and things like that. Soccer thing I made out of the old soccer sets, and it has basketball player guys in it. Like right there, they have a spring, so if I grab a ball out of here, if I grab a ball, I can give that right there, and he'll pick it up, and then he can throw it. So that's, I think that's kind of cool because their hands are like weird to hold them like that. And then over here we just got like this Bionicle guy. And these are all my pieces in sorter drawers. So like 1x4 tiles, and then like right here, this box is so full. I don't really want to open it fully. This is all axles. There's a lot of axles back there. And yeah, so this is just a ton of miscellaneous like Lego and the blue pins. And up here we just got my logo made out of Lego. Really cool, I like that. And then over here we just got some flags and my Lego soccer advertisements, which I like. And these are just filled with accessories. And that's the stuff in like my corner. And right here, actually under the soccer thing, we have my minifigure box. So if you look in there, I got hats and like heads right there. Let me open this so it's easier to see. So right there, hats, heads, and all this, just like torsos and things. Those are leftover accessories that couldn't fit in the bricks up here. And this is like a Junior's figure right here. So he's like different than a normal minifigure. He's like bigger, and he can't even be taken apart. And then just like pets in here under the net. Just some weird. Well, this is just like building different Lego guys. So that's what that is. Lego minifigures. And then that is my spot. Over here is not my spot, just a big mess to me is what it looks like. Over here we just got a house right there. Not my minifigure box. Another one's not my minifigure box, but here's some more. And those are what that's what those ones look like, just right there, box and stuff. And then if we go all the way back over to these over here, they're on a dresser. So everything in here, just Lego, and a lot of it, just like wait, this drawer is empty, no Lego. Up top, my Legos, plates, all this stuff, more miscellaneous Lego, a lot of miscellaneous Lego, and like camera supplies and stuff like that. And over here, just more Lego, a lot of Lego, more Lego. How many times can I say more Lego? And some Lego boxes down there. And yeah, so that's some of the Lego right there. So over to the left of this dresser, it's actually our room. So if we go in here, on these shelves, even more Lego. These are my Legos, just not all of them. And like one of my favorite Lego sets ever. We got my collectible minifigures, just right there. If you haven't seen that video, link will be in the description. Over here, some Star Wars and Harry Potter minifigures, just all of this right there. And then if we come around on the other side, this shelf right here, even more Lego, just oh yeah, and some non-Lego too. That's it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to check out my other videos on my channel, and as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell.